AJ.
And this is Anita.
How would you like to make 2019 an amazing year?
Would you like to create your best year ever?
We have created Happiness Genius 4.0 to share tools, techniques, and strategies in a very cost-effective way.
On January 26th in San Mateo, we are hosting Happiness Genius 4.0 to give you the skills that last a lifetime. Imagine shattering whatever is holding you back.
We will teach you skills to create your best year imaginable. You will learn basic human needs,
Your model of the world,
getting rid of your limiting beliefs,
tools to sustain happiness,
building rapport for effective relationships,
influence.
setting achievable goals.
Similar seminars cost thousands of dollars, and we have created some amazing early bird deals at a fraction of the cost. It's too good a deal to miss.
What are you waiting for? Click on the link below before the deals are gone. We'll see you at Happiness Genius 4.0.
See you at Happiness Genius 4.0. Till then, keep smiling.